Hi everybody, this is Ricky, and I'm going to do a short tutorial on placing a trade on Nadex. I'm bouncing over here to my MetaTrader 4 account, and I see the moving averages here are about to cross. MACD is kind of a wide angle, wider than I like, but it's still apart and facing upwards. And I'm going to just check the 4 hour real quick, and it still looks like it's going up, and in fact it's under 20 and just about to cross over. So I like this trade right here. Just disregard this old spread right here. I did that a while back and just left it there for, okay, let's pull this back. Let's go back to 1 hour. Boom. And you can see, let me blow this up, pull it over. Bam. It's right about at 1070 right now. It's got about 30 pips to move to get to 1100. And it's got about 50 pips to move to get to 1120. And I'm going to go over to Nadex now. And this is the Euro USD. It came way down. Obviously, this is the one that took the hit. It retraced a little, came back down, retraced, came back down, and it's been kind of ranging since then. But the moving averages are really close together, and for the past 5 hours, there's been no ATR whatsoever. This bar is the first one that really seemed to move, and we'll have the U.S. market opening soon. So I'm going to go ahead and take this trade here on, we had 1100, which is a little more than I like to spend. I usually like to stay at 30, but it's 37.50. I'm going to go ahead and splurge for the extra $7. You're still making, more than 100%. So change the market order here to a limit order GTC, good till closed, and at 37.50, we're already there. I would put in 2 contracts, and you'll see this price will change automatically when you change that to good till close. Down to $36 now. I like that. I'll go with 2 contracts, putting up 72 to win 127. Now it's going up. I like to give it a minute or two here to, sometimes it'll bounce down. Like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take this at 36.25. Okay? Actually, I'm going to take it at 36. Actually, I'm going to put in 36 right here. I think it's going to come back down there. Within the next 8 hours anyway. There it is right there, 36. Boom. And you'll see my order is filled right here, 2 positions. I got it at $36, and the market price right now is, on the bid side, $27.25. Okay? And we're going to take 1120 also. We're getting that at $24.50. Okay? Click on it, pull the ticket up. It's buy. Change from market order to limit GTC. Good till closed. $24.75. $24.50. And I'd buy, let's see, now it's down to 24. And I'm going to take, I was going to take it at 24. Let's see what it does. Give it a minute here to fluctuate. I don't want it to go into my working orders and then have to amend it. That's why. That's what would happen if you were to enter a lower price here. It's actually going up now. Alright, let's take it right at 25. An even 100 to make 3. Boom. Okay. And there's our orders right there. This is our value right here, and this is the spread basically right now. Keep an eye on this because you don't have to hit the at the money to be in profit on Nadex. Okay. So we'll go back to my chart and let's take a look at some other pairs here we make, because I like as many as possible to increase my odds of having a couple winners beat out 3 or 4 losers. Right now the Aussie US is at 74.03 and I'm looking to buy, so I would go back over here and I would look at something like 74.20 on the Aussie US. Same time frame, 11 a.m., 8-hour trade. Check it, 74.02 right here, and you can see that's at the money right now, about 50 bucks. 74.20 I can buy for 39. That's a little 74.40 is 24. Let's see how far from the money that is. 74.40. 74.40. All right, we're not too far, actually. Yeah. And 74.20 is right there. 74.20. Bounce back over to Nadex. 74.20 right now is going for $39. You're putting up 39 to make 61. So I'm going to hit that. Bang. 2. It's at an even 39 now. 39.25, 39, 78 to make 122, and we'll take it. And you can see it being filled there. And what I like to do is use probability in my favor. The Euro Great British Pound on the 4-hour chart, they're both above 80, oversold as you would expect, but I want to look at the 1-hour chart and see where that's at too. And as I suspected, it's heading down, so I'm expecting this to come down a little bit. It's at 83.20 right now. Let's see what they're getting for 82.80 on the Euro Pound. 82.80. That's a good price right there, 29.50. And I'm going to sell it. Closed. 70.50. Take 3 of them. That's 70.25. 70.50. And place it. Boom. And we just sold Euro GBP at 82.80. and it's at 83.20 right now. It's got to move about 46 pips, but you got 8 hours, okay? And I'm getting these strike prices for really cheap, so let's do a couple more if we can find something here. Did we trade the CAD yet? US CAD was another one I was looking to come down at 29.60. Let's see what they're getting over on Nadex on the CAD there. We already looked at that once. 11 o'clock. 29.60. Is selling for 71.50, 100 minus 71.50, so it's selling about 28 bucks. Right now it's 28 bucks. 72. BTC. Boom. 71.75. Alright, 72.50. That's good. 82 to make 217. That sounds good. Boom. And we just sold 3 of those. Okay. And let's take a look at what we got now. US Swissy. That's just got to move too much. The ATR is usually a lot more than that on the Swissy, and it's just the indecisiveness of the traders right now because they don't know what to expect with this Brexit, you know. So pound yen, euro Aussie. Let's see here. Crossed over above 80, and it came down and it came up, and now it looks like it's retracing. It's at 49.51. I would look at something around 49.40, 49.20 on the euro Aussie. They don't have the euro Aussie. Okay. I want to move back over here. I want to look at the yen. The yen's been ranging. I would say right now that's about, I'm going to hold it right about there. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 active trades with 2, 5, 7, 11, 14 contracts. Okay? And if I win 1 or 2 of these, even one of them would come close to covering most of the risk that I have right here. So we'll keep an eye on it. And you just got to see how you place trades, buys and sells on Nadex, trying to look for the best strike price that you can get to get, you know, twice your money back or 3 times your money back. You know, if I hit this trade right here,